marui, marui. The word marui is primarily an adjective used to describe the roundness of objects or shapes. It can also refer to a smooth or gentle personality. This word is common in everyday conversation, especially when discussing physical characteristics or personality traits. Now, repeat after me. Marui, marui, marui. The kanji I marui means circle or round. This kanji highlights the concept of roundness, completeness, or entirety in its core meaning. For instance, the word marumeru means to make round, often used when talking about shaping something into a circular form. The word dangan includes the idea of bullet, which is typically cylindrical in shape, hinting at its notion of roundness and penetration. Additionally, marugoto means whole or entirely, suggesting the completeness or entire portion of something, alluding to the notion of being round or full. These various uses depict how maru can be applied both physically and metaphorically across different contexts. Let's look at these collocations with marui. Pay attention to how it's used in different contexts, and remember to shadow the examples for better retention. Marui ishi, round stone. Marui ishi, marui ishi. Marui tsukue, round table. Marui tsukue, marui tsukue. Kao ga maruku natta, face became round. Kao ga maruku natta, kao ga maruku natta. Me ga marukute kawaii, eyes are round and cute. Me ga marukute kawaii, me ga marukute kawaii. Marui tsuki, round moon. Marui tsuki, marui tsuki. Marui boru o nageru, throw a round ball. Marui boru o nageru, marui boru o nageru. Poe ga marui, voice is soft. Poe ga marui, poe ga marui. Senaka ga mareku naru, back becomes rounded. Senaka ga mareku naru, senaka ga mareku naru. The most common alternatives of marui include enkei no, which refers to something that is in a circular shape, kyukei no, which describes a three-dimensional spherical shape, and marumaru to shita, which conveys a sense of fullness or roundness, often used to describe something that appears plump or chubby. The most common antonyms of marui include kakubatta, which describes something that is angular or has sharp corners, and sonagai, referring to objects that are elongated or slender in shape, both contrasting with the idea of roundness. Finally, let's practice the word marui with some questions. Can you make a sentence describing the shape of an object? Use marui to explain the shape of something like a boru, which means ball. このボールは丸いです. This ball is round. このボールは丸いです。このボールは丸いです。Now, can you describe the shape of a plate using marui? Think of how you would explain that the sara, which means plate, has a certain katachi, which means shape. その皿は丸い形をしています。That plate has a round shape. その皿は丸い形をしています。その皿は丸い形をしています。Can you create a sentence about someone's physical appearance? Use marui to describe features like kao, which means face, in reference to someone, like kare, meaning he. 彼の顔は丸いです。His face is round. 彼の顔は丸いです。彼の顔は丸いです。Lastly, can you describe an accessory? Use marui to explain that something like a wa, which means ring, is in a certain shape. You can use kono, meaning this, to specify the ring. この輪は丸いです。This ring is round. この輪は丸いです。この輪は丸いです。